Call Spar and Bernstein at 1-800-LAWLY. 1-800-529-5465.
Would you recommend them to anyone that's listening to us out there to use Spar and Bernstein in contrast to anyone else?
Definitely is the best so far I've seen.
Wow.
I ain't gonna lie, definitely is the best so far. I've been to many lawyers in New York that couldn't put my case, and he did it, and I thought it was very, very, very excellent.
Okay. Winston, where do you live?
North Carolina.
Oh, you live in North Carolina, and you use Spar and Bernstein here in New York?
Yeah, you see, I was in New York at the time when I was doing my filing, and I used a couple lawyers, and they really let me down and took my money, and then someone recommended me to Bernstein, and he did what I wanted to do for me, which was get the green card, and all my 3 kids get the green card in no time.
Wow, so you and your...
was a difficult path.
Right.
And make it look so easy.
Right. And you went to a few other attorneys that took your money and did not do it.
And they took my money and they couldn't produce nothing for me. They just gave me a runaround and like just white collar crime or a highway robbery.
Anyway, Winston, I'm not going to keep you too long, man. I don't blame you for calling him that, because, I always tell people, Brad might be a little bit more expensive than the other attorneys out there, but he gets it done right the first time, or at least you know where you stand. And I'm very happy that you decided to come around and use Spar and Bernstein, and you're happy.
He was the best, man. I ain't going to lie to you, man. I ain't going to promote them back and talk, man. He was the best, man. I thought my case was over, man, because some lawyer told me that my daughter got married to somebody and all them kind of crap. And he just said to me, don't worry about it, man. I got it, man. I got this straightened out for you. And in case about the first 2 months, man, things just start happening, man. In no time, man. And them lawyers got money for like 2 years, 1 year, 6 months and can't do nothing, man. They ain't produced nothing for me, man. There was like negative feedback, man. Really let me feel like I'm depressed, man, because I've been doing this so long, man, and it couldn't work, man, and Bernstein does do it for me, man. I appreciate you 100%, man. I recommend anybody to him, man. He's the best, he's the greatest, man. I ain't gonna lie, man.
Wow. Well, Winston, thank you so much for being an endorsement and a true testimony of the law offices of Spar and Bernstein's Immigration Department. I'm quite sure Brad Bernstein will be happy when you hear that you have commented on him being positive and him being the best. And take care of your 3 kids, man. I'm very happy that you and your family are together and you're able to travel and do whatever it is that you need to do now. All right, sir?
Yeah, man. Tell Mr. Bernstein I appreciate his work, man. And he's a very good lawyer, man.
Absolutely,
no doubt,
sir.
Man.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot for taking time out and being on the air with me, all right?
Okay, sir.
All right, no problem.
The preceding law segment was an attorney advertisement brought to you by the law offices of Spar and Bernstein.
The law offices of Spar and Bernstein is located at 225 Broadway in New York City. Reach out to them at 1-800-529-5465.
Prior successful results do not guarantee a similar outcome.